Good evening, everybody. This is the problem I've been having with my 140 df140 Suzuki motor. It won't crank in idle, or it won't crank in neutral, I should say. It's in neutral. I don't know if y'all heard it or not. I get 3 beeps and that's it. And that's what it's doing. So, if I can flip this camera around. No, not an option. Okay. So, I've replaced the eye valve. This. Now watch. I can spin it that much, leave a little bit of gap on the inside, the inlet side of it. Come back here. Runs like a top. Little bit of vacuum, but not much. I put it back where it was. Shuts down.